What's good, y'all? It's King Tease. Welcome back to Throughout the Association. And Jason Kidd was just fired for stealing boxes on his day off. No, I'm just playing. Jason Kidd was just fired not too long ago by the Bucks. I mean, I just did a video about it an hour ago, but Jason has already responded to being fired. Jason told Ramona Shelburne of ESPN that Giannis Antetokounmpo called 15 minutes before the Bucks called to fire him to let him know he was about to be fired and then offered to help. Giannis said, "Coach, this isn't right what they're about to do, but they're about to let you go." Jason then told him I had a feeling that was going to take place. Giannis responded, "What can I do? I'll call the owners. I'll call my agent." Jason told him, "There's nothing you can do. All you can do is tell the truth. That's it." Jason then told him he was thankful for his loyalty and he was thankful to be able to coach him. This is all according to Ramona Shelburne. Jason gave a statement to her. He said, "I enjoyed my time in Milwaukee. There's no regrets. We took an organization that was in a bad place and shined a light on it. They're still young and running their race. Giannis is young and running his new race, is one of the best players in the world." I got to be honest with y'all. This sounds like a great scene in a documentary, but I'm not sure how this can be helpful toward Jason's coaching future. This is a lot of information that we probably should not know. And if you just got fired because your team is performing mediocre and you did not have the best relationships in the organization, you probably shouldn't be telling this much information. Now, don't get me wrong. I love to know behind the scenes stuff, but I don't see how this is beneficial to Jason's future. But it is great to see the kind of person Giannis is. Not that his character was ever in question, but this just make him look even greater. But like I said, I thought Jason was doing a fine job, but this team is underachieving. I'm not sure if a coaching change is going to change that, but I definitely understand the Bucks' reasoning. But let me know who you guys think will be a good fit for the Bucks. What you guys think about this, and definitely subscribe.